from being a mother and homemaker, I'm also a successful entrepreneur.
I used to be an introvert, but now I'm a team's inspiration and role model.
Now I'm a business owner and I'm living my dream lifestyle.
I not only support my family financially, but I'm securing my future too.
I am sure you're interested in knowing the reason behind the success stories. As you know, the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted businesses like big and small, resulting salary cuts, layoffs, and many businesses have been shut down. Even in today's tough and uncertain economic scenario, here's a bold new generation of entrepreneurs who are living a great lifestyle on their own terms. Don't you want an opportunity that offers you a financial stability with a healthy work-life balance so that you can spend your time with friends and family? What if I tell you there is a business opportunity that facilitates all of this? Apart from several exciting features, here are the highlights. First up, you can pursue it as a part-time business or career option without investing any money upfront or even registration charges. Secondly, it's a completely free business opportunity and you don't need any formal education or prior work experience. Lastly, it's open to anyone above 18 years of age. And it sounds too good to be true. Let me help you answer all the questions on your mind now. Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Chandan. I'm here to talk about an exciting free business opportunity that can turn your life around and offer a healthy lifestyle even during these tough times. The opportunity I'm going to speak about is direct selling, and let me help you understand the direct selling industry. Direct selling consultants work on their own but affiliate with a company that uses the channel, retaining the freedom to run a business on their own terms. In India, about 60% of this number comprises women, and the industry is showing rapid growth, and India is one among the 19 platinum level countries designated by the World Federation of Direct Selling Associations, and we are currently ranked 15. In summary, the direct selling industry in India has huge growth potential and will probably be the industry of choice in the future. One amongst the industry leaders, this company has proven itself in providing a vibrant and long-term business opportunity to a large number of budding entrepreneurs. Now let me tell you about My Lifestyle Marketing Global. My Lifestyle Marketing Global, way ahead in the direct selling industry, that has a strong management team with over 2 decades of experience. It has a unique business plan that we are going to talk about. This is a chance to be a part of this growing business and to write your own success story. My Lifestyle Marketing Global is a direct selling company. It was established in 2013. It aims to empower and enhance people's lifestyle by helping them achieving their goals. Starting your business with My Lifestyle Marketing Global is simple. What you have to do is register yourself as an independent distributor of My Lifestyle and become a brand ambassador. Next, use the My Lifestyle products and recommend or sell them to generate an income. Remember, your degree of success and earning potential is only limited by your degree of hard work, efforts, and true ambitions. There are no shortcuts, and always believe in the fact that hard work pays off. Now I know you must be wondering what kind of products My Lifestyle offers. My Lifestyle Marketing Global Private Limited is the owner of large wellness brands like Elements Wellness and on. Brands like New Star, My Home, Ahar and India Grow are also part of our portfolio. Each product is carefully innovated, planned and developed by eminent experts to meet the evolving needs and aspirations of today's consumers. Most of our products are certified or tested for the performance ingredients. Many products in the Ayurvedic range carry the prestigious Ayush Premium mark. Our flagship brand, Elements Wellness, was recently recognized by the Economic Times as a best healthcare brand 2019. One other major differentiator is that My Lifestyle Marketing Global has a wide presence across 300 plus cities in India with convenient pickup and delivery centers. This wide distribution network ensures shorter response time to customer demand. One of My Lifestyle Marketing Global division is India Shopping, which handles product-related operations and the company's logistics. India Shopping distributes and markets over 100 products across categories such as healthcare, beauty and personal care, food and beverages, as well as agricultural products. This exclusive range of high quality products is a major differentiator and gives us unique advantage over other companies. Apart from being a free business opportunity with well-crafted product categories, My Lifestyle Marketing Global has unique features such as flexi timing and is open to anyone above 18 years. Here are a few more benefits explained in detail. A highly rewarding business plan. My Lifestyle Marketing Global unique business plan is one of a kind and allows the independent distributor to earn without sponsoring anyone as long as minimum purchase is made in line with the rank. No prior experience is needed and anyone can become a distributor. Extensive training on company orientation, product knowledge and business building skills is provided by our exclusive training partner Harvest Success Academy. My Lifestyle Marketing Global is also an active participant in Skill India program, under which the company will recognize and certify its eligible distributors to help them accelerate their personal and physical growth. The company has entered into a MOU with Rashi, which is part of National Skill Development Corporation, to roll out this process. The program will be run by our exclusive training partner Harvest Success Academy. A government recognized certification will be provided to all distributors who pass the assessment. Apart from the support of thousands of My Lifestyle distributors in their network, all the distributors get access to free, virtual, round-the-clock back-end support to manage and monitor their business. In case of any unfortunate situation, the nominee can still run the business. Most importantly, My Lifestyle is a recognized member of regulatory and industries body like FDSA, FICCI and RAI. I hope you're convinced now that this business opportunity is going to change your life for good. Now is the time to join an exclusive network of successful entrepreneurs and leaders. And the registration process is simple and free. To know more about the registration process and income plans, click on the link below. Remember, the income you earn, in addition to fabulous perk and recognition, is classified into various categories based on yours and the team's business turnover. Now become a part of the large My Lifestyle Marketing Global family and start fulfilling your dreams and lifestyle you always wanted. Act now. Visit mylifestylemarketing.com to kickstart your business. My Lifestyle Marketing Global family is waiting to welcome you.